This is the Arrma Infraction 6S Street Basher, and it costs a whopping £699. This is the Maverick Quantum Flux R4S Muscle Car Street Basher, which costs just £290. So the question is, can you have as much fun at half the price? Well, in this video, we're going to find out. Now, I'm not going to bore you with all the information on the car because lots of other people have done reviews on this. So instead, what I will do is I'll put a link in the description below where you can get all the information you want and also where you can get this from. Wow, what can I say, guys? That looks absolutely stunning. I love the detail on the car. We've got it obviously in the blue because we've got to have it in hardcore blue, haven't we? In the box you get your instruction manual. You get your controller, which comes with a nice foam steering wheel. It looks like it's only a 2-channel controller. And you get up here your channel 1 trims, channel 2 trims, dual rate of some sort, on-off switch. Under here you get your reverse channel 1, reverse channel 2, and your endpoint adjustments, high and low. A bind button there. It takes 4 AA batteries. Overall not a bad controller. It's a bit chunky, a bit on the large side. Wouldn't say I'm an overall fan of it, but it feels okay in the hand. You also get these body accessories. So you've got an intercooler, a turbo housing and turbo intakes, and some additional stickers to go with all this. That's if you don't want this big supercharger sticking out the front. I have to say I do like the body. They have gone into quite a bit of detail on it. As you can see down here, they've got Maverick in the stickers here. The fake headlights, obviously. I do like this roll cage in the stickers here. Even the wing mirrors, plastic wing mirrors on the side. They've even got reflective parts. Look, you can see my finger. A nice spoiler on the back. Rear diffuser as well to keep it sucked to the ground when you're going fast. I'm not sure where you can see it, guys. Hopefully you can see it reflecting just around here. There's the little indentations where you can fit those turbo mountings to it. So how does it stack up size-wise compared to the 1/7 scale Arrma Infraction? Bearing in mind this is classed as a 1/8 scale. It's not a huge amount of difference in the size. It's a little bit wider, a little bit thinner, a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. Of course, the big question is, does size matter? So looking under the bonnet, it's got a 2250 kV motor. It looks like a rebranded Hobby Wing 120 amp ESC, which means it will run on 4S. It does, for some unknown reason, come with Dean's connectors. I do wish these manufacturers would stop putting Dean's on there, but we get that off to an XT90 on IC5. I'm pretty sure this motor will take 6S though. So in a future video, we're going to change out that ESC, put a 6S capable of ESC in there, and see how fast we can go on 6S. See what this car's really capable of. If you want to see that, you better make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications below. Battery size wise, it fits in these China Hobby line 4S 8000 milliamp hour 120C packs, as snug as a bug in a rug. Just like a waterproof receiver box, and we'll have to find the sleeve there. That may have come in the box as well. In fact, yes, here's the sleeve now. 15 kilogram servo, which may be a bit light for the car, but we'll find out how it handles. Now these are, as I understand it, belted tyres. They feel a bit supple. I'm not sure there's any foam inside there, but they're supposed to be belted, so we'll see how those hold up. Absorbers, all metal cased. Quite a nice spring in action there. And the same on the rear. Oh, it's a bit stiffer on the rear though. Here's that rear diffuser. Help keep it sucked to the ground. A nice front splitter here with some aerodynamic venting as well. Drivetrain looks to be all metal, so we've got metal drive shafts here. Metal drive shaft at the front and at the rear. We have front toe links, rear toe links as well, which means you can adjust the toe on the rear, which is very strange on this type of car. At the same time, it's going to be very handy if you do want to do speed runs and you want to get rid of that toe-in, because a lot of the normal cars have toe-in set and you can't change it. And it is an all plastic chassis with honeycombing in the inside to give added strength. I did see this on Tomley's video as well. His switch had come loose. It looks like they like to stick it down on top of a sticker which doesn't stick to the ESC, right by the gears. So we will sort that out. If you do get one of these, check where your switch is, and if it's easily going to fall off. I mean, I just pulled that back off and it fell off, so one crash, that would be in the gears. So now it's time to get this Dean's connector off and stick an XT90 on there. Looks like it's going to absolutely rip. There we have it, guys. Now, I did just look. Not only is this half the price of the Arrma Infraction, it's actually cheaper than the brushed Arrma Infraction Mega. I mean, that's bonkers. Where are we, Callum?
We're at the speed run strip.
Park and ride.
We're at Park and Ride.
Haven't been here for ages, have we?
No, we haven't.
And what have we got with us today?
We've got the Quantum Flux R. We're gonna see how fast it can go.
What power we got in there, Callum?
We've got a 4S battery LiPo from Ludicrous. A ludicrous LiPo.
So that means we're going to go ludicrously fast. We've got the app out. I'm ready. Go.
Ready?
It is a bit wet out today, guys, so it could be interesting stability-wise. There is no gyro on this, but we don't normally use a gyro anyway. Got some speed. Oh, Callum trying to show off now with a bit of drifting at the end. You can't though. Bring it back. I want to see how fast it's gone. What are you doing?
It's not me.
What do you reckon?
43.
47. No, I don't think you got full power.
I think I did.
Do it another one. Give it a proper run. It is a bit wet out today. 47. So 47, stock gearing on a 4S LiPo. What time is it, Callum?
It's drifting time.
We're going to see how well the Maverick Flux R drifts. It is a little bit lively. The back seems to want to whip around very quickly, but I'm pretty sure we can fix that out with some possibly new tyres or changing the diff oils. So as you can see, it is a little bit lively. Back flick out a lot, Callum.
Yeah, makes it hard to drift.
Now time to give it a try with some S7 GRP tyres. These are pre-worn, so there's a little bit of tread missing on those. Let's see how it performs with those. How does it look with the GRPs on there? What do you think?
Same.
You've got to love Callum though, haven't you? The same. The enthusiasm of... That's a major at-speed power slide, that was. What do you think of it then, Callum?
Apart from the lack of drifting ability, I think it's powerful, and that when it gets up to speed, it's all right.
It's a little bit lively though, guys, got to say. So we're going to tune the diffs, we're going to tune the suspension, we're going to get a 6S system in it more than likely. But if you want to see any of that, remember, subscribe and turn on those notifications.